बेस्ट टीचर्स के गाइडेंस में पढ़ना इजियर होगा।
एग्जाम या हो लाइफ, अब से हर स्टूडेंट विनर होगा। समझ आएगा तो मजा आएगा।
Vedantu. Learn live online. To attend a free live class, download the app now.
Hello everyone. Good evening. How are you all doing in this very fine evening? Adik, Anirudh, Anukriti, Uttam. Hello everyone and welcome to the session. Thank you. Okay, thank you so much for coming to my class at the right time. And I hope you all are having a very lovely day, right? Because today is Valentine's Day and I just want to wish you all a happy Valentine's Day. So I hope you guys have met all your loved ones, heck yeah, and exchange your gifts and having a very good smile on your faces. I hope so, right? Okay, don't worry who all are single just like me. Trust me that the single life is the best life. Okay, good. Thank you so much Uttam for wishing me Valentine's Day. Okay, I don't have a Valentine another. I'm just a single guy just like this. Okay, me and all my students, that's all my world is about. Okay, so for so many, my face will be new for them. Myself, Ameer Basit, Master Teacher of JE Physics at Vedantu. You can call me Ameer for anything and everything, but only for physics, right? So guys, it's time to take away the thoughts about all this lovely day and what we have over here. The exams are coming, right? Some days are only left for the exams, and what we have to do? We have to study the derivations, and you know that a lot many derivations are there, and now you might be confused which one to study about, right? So let us go through all the important derivations chapter by chapter, and I'll try to help you which all derivations you have to go through and which all not, right? Because the time is very limited. Right? So guys, are you all ready with me to start with this particular session with so much of energy and so much of hope, right? Yes, derivations. I hope you know the importance of this derivations, right? From the 70 marks which you are going to write for this physics paper, 25 to 30 marks is for the derivations. And that too from so many 15 chapters are there, so many derivations from each chapters. So that's why the importance for derivation is that much. So I hope everyone is ready. So let's start it. Before that, I have to tell you just one thing. So those who are not able to prepare themselves for the coming exams, and those who don't know how to make a plan for the coming exams, and those who want to make a proper analysis of the previous year questions, Vedantu is here with the 12th crash course. And what will it be doing? For this particular crash course, if you want to join, go to this particular link, apply this code. This is a magical code, and what does a magic does this particular do? It will convert the actual price of this course, which is of 12,000, to a price of 3,799 and make it so cheap for you to grab that much of marks for your exams and make the life beautiful. So don't forget this. Okay, you are going to get a lot much of things. So ready, right? Okay, let's not waste our time because we have a lot much to discuss about. Starting from the first chapter, let's see which all are the important derivation that we have to go through the chapter electrostatic, which means the first two chapters of NCERT, right? Okay, so Coulomb's law in vector form. It is not that hard one, because Coulomb's law, the force magnitude is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q2 by r square multiplied with the unit vector in its direction. Okay, that derivation is not that important, but you should be knowing that particular equation. Then comes application of Gauss law. I hope you know what is Gauss law. What is a Gauss law? Integral E dot ds is equal to 1 by epsilon 0 times the charge enclosed. So you must be knowing how to use it, and by using this you must be able to find out the electric field of so many geometrics, like so many current carrying lines, current carrying closed loops, okay, current carrying sheets, and you must be knowing. Then you must be knowing how to find out the electric field produced by different geometrics. Then you must be able to find out the electric field produced by the dipoles, and using that finding out the value for the torque and the potential of keeping an electric dipole in an external electric field, and finding out the last part of this electrostatics is finding out the value for capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor, which has a formula A epsilon 0 by D. So if you can do these many derivations, which are the important derivations, which has 99% of coming from this chapter, if a question is being asked for derivation from this chapter, you can look into only this much of derivations, right? All good? Happy? Happy till here? Janvi, Anukriti, Palak, Vashesha, tell me Namichand. All good? Happy till here? I hope everyone can do. You have to work hard, okay? So you can take a screenshot of this and start working on it, right? Okay, very good. Then why we have to wait for? Then from the current electricity, the number of derivations is very less. The first one is expression for the drift velocity, right? Negative of E by m into 2, and that for the current also. Current I is equal to NAVD. So these are the two important things. Then about the resistors, parallel combination, series combinations, and these two things, right? So these two you must be knowing. And moving coil galvanometer is a derivation which comes from the next chapter, which is magnetism and matter, right? Because in the chapter magnetism and matter, you have to study about the moving coil magnetometer, okay, which not magnetometer, sorry, galvanometer. There you have to learn the thing that the equation for the galvanometer is C theta is equal to NIAB, right? So that is first or one of the important derivations of this particular chapter, magnetic effect of current and magnetism of matter. Then it comes to what? Biot-Savart's law and finding out the magnetic field produced by different geometrics of current carrying conductor, right? What is said in Biot-Savart's law? In the magnetic field produced is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I dl sin theta by r square, right? I hope you know this. So by using this, you must be finding out the magnetic field produced by different current carrying conductors. Then about the cyclotron, kinetic energy of the electron which is getting accelerated in the cyclotron, the radius of that, so the frequency of this, you must be having a complete knowledge of all these things, right? And the torque that is felt on a current carrying loop formula, torque is equal to m cross b, where m is the magnetic dipole moment. Then about the Ampere circuital loop, I hope you know Ampere circuital law. What is it? Integral b dot dl is equal to mu naught times the current enclosed, right? Then what all we have? Magnetic dipole moment of an revolving electron. Who will tell me what is the dipole moment of a revolving electron? Let me know, make it fast. Who can give me the first answer? I'll try my level best to send you a gift. So Valentine's gift, let it be from me. Who knows? Magnetic dipole moment of a revolving electron, not the general equation, that is equal to EVR by 2. Okay, Mahendra Singh. Very good, very good, very good. Vasu, very good. Okay, it is EVR divided by 2. Then magnetic properties of magnetic material means paramagnetic material, ferromagnetic material, and diamagnetic material. And about the moving coil magnetometer, just like I told you, right? Okay, good till here, understood. I hope you have already taken a screenshot of this previous all the chapters which we have already discussed, right? Okay, hi, so many are sending me hi, Rajastri, Kirti, Anukriti. Okay, yes, you are a bit late, don't worry, it is recorded, right, Mahir? Next about the chapters EMI and AC circuit, which is a bit important chapters and a difficult chapter for some of you all, right? Okay, don't worry, make it more interesting by learning the concept. So we will go through the derivation. Which are the derivations? The first derivation for EMI is the basic equation for induction. What is the basic equation for induction? Induced EMF is equal to d by dt of flux. Then different cases in the motional EMF. What is the formula for motional EMF? From this you have to find out the value of motional EMF, right? Then what is it? Self-induction and mutual induction. So these are the things or derivation that you must be knowing from this chapter, right? From EMI and from AC, then you must be having a clear-cut knowledge about the LCR circuits and how to draw the phasor diagrams for each, right? Okay, I moved a bit so that you can take a screenshot, right? So these are the important derivations and the theories that you must be knowing from this particular part. Good, happy everyone, right? Okay, good. Don't worry. Yes, we are moving and we'll reach to that. So guys, I just want to tell you this, what you might be having so many doubts when you study some particular topics, right? So Vedantu is here. We are having a Telegram group. So download Telegram, join to this particular group, and if you are having any doubts, you can post it in the group and teachers will be there to help you out with your doubts, right? Okay, it's a very good initiative from Vedantu. So you must be using it in a very wise manner at the right time, and I think this is the right time for you all, right? Okay, so about the ray optics, I hope I don't want to tell you because there are so many derivations. Okay, so 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F for spherical mirrors, right? Then the refraction which is happening where in the spherical surfaces, then it goes to lens maker's formula. What is the lens maker's formula? 1 by F is equal to N2 by N1 minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2, right? Then it goes to microscope and telescope of its magnification and length of it and the prism angle. So these are the important derivations from the ray optics, right? So do it fast, make a screenshot. Thank you so much, Vinita. So I think it's time to move, right? Wave optics. Wave optics, when you talk about first part, right? What is first part? Huygens principle and explaining what reflection and refraction using Huygens principle. Then about Young's double slit experiment, diffraction. So some derivations are there about fringe width and all those stuffs. So learn that, see how that particular equations are coming, and ending this chapter with polarization, right? Okay. So these are the important derivations which you have to go through in wave optics. Okay, someone is asking my board percentage when I was doing, I think it was 98% for me. Okay, happy. And those who don't know, I did my BTech from NIT Calicut in mechanical engineering. All good, happy. Modern physics, the number of derivation that come from this particular chapter is not that big. Okay, it is very limited. Mainly the derivation comes from this part. Okay, radioactive decay. I hope you remember finding out a formula for activity, half-life, average life, all these things, right? Okay, so this is the main derivation which you have to go through. The third one. The rest of the things what you can see over here is not the derivation which we are talking about, the main information, right? About the photoelectric effect, de Broglie wavelength, and the numericals, right? Expression for energy of the nucleus and all those stuffs. Yes, modern physics is a very easy chapter, so don't leave it as such. If at all you are looking for it, you have to grab all the marks which is coming from it. Semiconductors, and it is not a big chapter, and derivations are very less. I think we can say that it is almost zero. What you should be having is, you should be having a complete knowledge about the chapter. Mostly theoretical questions come from the semiconductors. Okay, so no much derivations are there if I talk about, and from the EM waves if I talk about, the derivation is about the displacement current, right? That is the only derivation that is appearing from EM waves. All good, happy. It is also easy, right? Okay, so everyone is telling that it is easy, but when the marks come, that much should be there in your paper also, right? Okay, so guys, all understood? Yes, transistor is not there for the coming exams. All, yes, PN junction is important. Happy shappy? Okay, yes, very good. Who told that? Sanju. Yes. So I think the chat is flooded. I hope you all got the information. You understood what I just wanted to convey you. What was this particular session about? So if you all are happy with the session, give me a smiley. Everyone, those who are happy with the session and those who have understood what to do with this derivations, give me a smiley. Nice hairstyle. Who said that? With it. Thank you so much. Okay, good, understood, happy, thank you. Okay, lot many thanks and smiling faces. I'm so happy with it, so many loves. So this is what is more important to me on this Valentine's Day, and you all guys made my Valentine's Day such an awesome thing, right? Okay, thank you so much. So these are the faces which made Vedantu so much proud in the year 2019. You can see what happened in 2020 JEE mains also. I think if you guys, anyone is over here 11th, and if you want to be a part of Vedantu, don't wait, come and join Vedantu as soon as possible and make yourself proud, your parents and this Vedantu, right? Okay, so what I want to tell you is about the micro courses. If you guys are having any doubt with a single chapter, come to Vedantu site and don't forget to purchase. If you can purchase single chapters, which mean wave optics you can purchase with how much of money you have to pay? How much of money you have to pay for this? Look, can you see that? Just 1 rupees, okay? 1 rupees you can pay and get your micro courses. Look how beautiful this Vedantu is, and I'm so happy to be a part of this particular innovation. So guys, if you have understood, if you think that this was good, and if your Ameer Sir was good and delivered the content for you, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends, whoever is thinking that what all derivation they have to study. Okay, don't forget. And this is the best part, guys. Okay, for all these things what we did, we are just asking for you a small thing. What? to spend 2 seconds of your life and hit the subscribe button. So those who are still there, don't forget, take out your mouse, okay, point it on the subscribe and click on it, subscribe button. So don't leave this particular session without subscribing. So it will be a great motivation for us and we can do more and more number of videos also, right? Okay, so thank you so much for everyone again for staying here and being a good giving me a good participation in the class. So see you all tomorrow. Good night.